Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Ahn Co. It's Wednesday, February 13th. I'm going to go over the markets with you. Quiet day after getting some action here yesterday, and that's kind of just what the deal is. We're stuck here. We're coiling. There's not a lot of news. You did get a good push in Minneapolis wheat today. We did decide to move on some marketing there. You were up about over 7 cents at one point, settled to 2.5 higher on Minneapolis wheat. Kansas City and Chicago both up 2 cents, while you had about a penny and a half lower on soybeans and closer to steady to half a cent higher into the corn market. So not a lot of trade action. We do get export sales here tomorrow. That should be good for these markets to kind of get some fresh news. Tomorrow is a delayed export sale here, but next week we will have 6 weeks of export sales lumped into one, and it will catch us up to date. And so we should have all that information there, and it is a very big deal to this market, specifically to the soybean market. Early rumors came out from the U.S.-China trade talks that possibly President Xi from China is going to be meeting with U.S. representatives on Friday. Those are early rumors, and that's taking a step in a positive direction. And it does also sound like President Trump will sign the deal made between Congress and Senate to fund the government. It does have border security funding in there, not all of what President Trump had requested, but it does have some in there, and that's where you saw some positivity into those outside markets. So crude oil was up over $1 at one point, US dollar up higher as well. You're really starting to get some high levels when you look at this US dollar. That could also hurt our export sales, specifically in wheat where we're running behind, so that'll be something to watch. And then to the Dow market, found some good activity there off that positive talk here of President Trump signing the deal, so up about 100 to 150 points majority of the day. Meat markets, however, struggled just a little bit. Live cattle, feeder cattle down to 85 cents, while lean hogs front months were slightly lower. Deferreds did find some slight support and bounce off them and try and hold on to these levels. I do have to close with a disclaimer. Trading in futures and options involves risk loss and is not suitable for all producers. This is a solicitation.